And underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life.
So we're just taking the opportunity. We're away for a few days. We've had to go and just get Harry sorted out with the electrics, but just as I do that, the guy turns up and starts cutting the grass. Anyway, what was I saying? Yes, we had to go and get Harry sorted out with the electrics, which we've done, and then we came up into Skipton for a couple of nights, and then we've just come over into the Yorkshire Dales and at a place called Malham.
And today looks like it's going to be a gorgeous day for touring. So we're heading out early without having any breakfast, as we've decided with the good weather a walk is the order of the day. And we're soon in the rural beauty of Yorkshire, heading to another personal recommendation, that of Malhem Cove.
So we just moved from Skipton, about half an hour up the road, to Malhem Cove. It was recommended by Carl actually at Ford Campers. So we come here, we're going to have breakfast now, and then we're going to go for a short walk up to Malhem Cove itself. But there's a huge amount of walks around here. It's right in the heart of the Yorkshire, but I guess the South Yorkshire Dales.
Do we know why it's called Cove?
No, I don't know why it's called Malhem Cove. It's a bit of a weird thing, because when he told us, we thought we're not going anywhere near the coast. But it was £5.50 for over 2 hours parking, but that's expensive. To me, that's expensive. But we've been so used to sport in Europe, haven't we?
Yeah,
really?
yeah, definitely.
Jane's preparing our breakfast.
Probably very unhealthy.
I know, that's okay. Got no strawberries today. I need to get some more fruit. That's nice. Didn't miss the strawberries though, or raspberries or something like that.
Yeah.
I like the banana, but that's a bit more. It's not as healthy, is it? Because it's more sugar, is it, I suppose?
Didn't we find out it was quite a high carb?
It is high carb. After our potatoes last night.
Ugh.
Well, we had baked potatoes last night, and to be honest, having had a good meal at lunchtime,
We didn't need it.
We didn't need it. And then you overeat, so it was a mistake. Might be a beanie hat job.
Are you having second thoughts?
No, because I know I'll get warm. There's quite a few since we got it here. We're about fifth car in. It's now filled up a bit. Come on then, let's go this way. We will go through the town. Nice just to be out in the fresh air today, I have to say. There's a visitor centre here, Jane. This is Malham village. I wonder how much they get upset about all the visitors. If you live in here, I suppose it goes with the territory now. A little stream here, look, Beck. There's a blacksmith, and he's working. Well, it'd be rude of me not to go in, of course, but I find these places really fascinating. Morning. Looks like she's just getting the furnace going for the day. Can't beat the sound and smell of a blacksmith forge. Just got my attention straight away as soon as I saw it. This is the booking. Looks like a nice pub. A lovely place. What a picturesque village this is. Beck Hall, it's called, all that way.
Have you read that?
Yeah, not this way.
Yeah, car park this way, not this way.
We're all dog mad here. We're heading up through there. Up to, that's Malhem Cove up there, I believe. There's a camping site here. I reckon that's where Carl goes to.
Oh, okay.
He said he comes up here camping.
Mention.
I bet you this is the site. It's just purely tents by the looks of it. Oh, it doesn't take caravans. There might not be.
Oh, do you know what? It's for serious walkers, that's why. Isn't it? No cycling.
The patterns of the walls are lovely, aren't they?
Yeah.
Cleared all the stones out to make the fields. That's what I understand is why they do that.
God, I'm hot now.
This is the walk path, goes all the way up to, there's the cove. We're just going up to there, Jane.
Yeah.
So the farmers often built the terraces, provided a greater depth of soil to grow the crops. So I think it's all formed from the Ice Age, being a waterfall coming over there, you can imagine it. Unfortunately I can't get the drone out here. It's an amber area and it's a protected area, I think maybe probably with bird life. So I'm not going
what's
to
amber?
risk it. Well, there's a warning, there's something in the area. It could be a low level privacy issue, it could be bird life, wildlife type stuff, and I read up on it.
Just having red or green areas, because what does amber say that you could?
Well, no, you could, it's up to you.
Oh, okay.
There's walkers going up the top there, look on the left. See them going up there. There's one, I think there's two, I think.
Yeah, there's two.
Beautiful little scene, isn't it?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
You're not allowed to picnic, so they don't like people picnicking here.
No, I get that.
Which I get, they don't want people sprawling all over there.
I get that.
It, I suppose. There's not much wind today, but it's sheltered here anyway because of the rock formation. It's fantastic, very dramatic. I say you can walk all the way, there's miles of walks around here if you're fitter than we are. The water's crystal clear. Well, we're now at the bottom. Watch, it's quite slippery with the rocks. I reckon the water's coming out from underneath the rock, it's not coming over. You know, like we went in that valley, it's coming out from underneath. We're going to go for it. Sure you want to go?
Yeah, yeah. You just carry on, I'll meet you at the top.
Jan's going to go at her own pace.
Let's go.
I'm so glad we just didn't put coats on. I've now got one layer too much. We're nearly there though.
Exactly.
We're down in where those trees are down there somewhere.
Oh,
Car park, that's where the village is. We're over the far end of the village. We're going to go, I think we'll skirt around the top here, around the edge, and then I think there's a path and it goes down to the road that comes down into the village. So the rock formation here is all smooth and eroded. Lots of people and dogs, as you can hear. When you get to the top, it's a case of rock hopping and watching your ankles. Last thing you want to do is break your ankle up here. Looks like over there they're doing some climbing. can really see the rock formation here. In places it looks like cubes. Back to the village, nice circular route. Car come in. I think that's well deserved after that.
Yeah.
We did a longer walk than I thought.
Yeah.
That was a great walk.
That was really good.
Really
Just
nice.
right.
How long's that been? It's now 12:20, so I feel as though we've done 2.5 hours.
I've never heard a quiet horse before.
So those hooves are quiet compared to the others who are quiet.
Heard a quiet hoof.
Yeah, but they must be metal hooves. They must be synthetic hooves. So Jane's just asking the difference between those two horses. One was really loud and one was really quiet. So any horse people out there, why is that? It's obviously down to the hooves themselves.
Yeah, but also, I've never heard that. How many horses have you seen in your life? And I've never heard one that doesn't go clip-clop.
Clip-clop. Why are some clip-clopping and why not?
Why
Answer,
aren't they
please.
clip-clopping?
Parking £2. It's a donation. It's only a donation for Malham.
Oh, okay.
That's where the village. Oh, I don't know if the village own that field or somebody owns that field because he's got village car park.
Yeah, but you
Interesting.
can't imagine it would be worth his while.
If it's his field,
Yeah, true.
so I suspect it's not the village. It's called the village car park. I suspect it's his car park.
Yeah.
And how much was it? If it was £5 a go.
Well, about 150.
So it's 150 quid a day times 7 days. You would say, mate, 700 quid.
Yeah, true. Actually, 714.
You'd sit there.
2,800 a month.
You'd sit there on as long as your internet connection all day.
And actually, he can probably earn 4 times that. Yeah, no, I hadn't thought of it like that. It's not costing him anything to sit there, is it? And it's time for a park up, not too far away, although the road is a bit narrow.
Now I'm sure I'm going to open myself up for a bit of criticism here. With the speed of the cyclists and the distance to go to the top of the hill, I decided to overtake the cycles, which was probably the mistake I made.
Stop.
There's a car.
Yeah. Okay, you need to go back some
Let me go up there.
Yeah, go up to. Okay, that's just.
You go forward.
Oh Christ.
The cycles I just overtook added to the complication of the manoeuvre by trying to then re-overtake me.
Does he know what he's actually doing?
For some reason he looks a bit unconfident of what he's doing. Do let me know if I was wrong, which I expect I was.
Our channel relies on your support, so please help us out by liking, subscribing and commenting. We're also on social media if you would like to support us further. We have a Buy Me a Coffee link in the description.
reverse into there, actually. It's doable.
No,
That's doable, that is.
I don't think so.
It is, yeah, there.
Well, it's up to you. Well, we can go
You
there.
have arrived at your destination.
Okay, we'll park it, reverse into it. My view was no, not to park, but actually it was okay in the end.
So this is our park up, hopefully for the night. It's on park for night. It's a bit off the road, so you need some good tyres to get up. Fortunately, I did, but it's flat. Whether we can stay here, I don't know. There is a ranger down the road, so he may have a different view. We'll find out later. But we're going to have lunch here no matter what anyway. So tea tonight, we're going to have these frankfurters. They just need a little bit of water to cook in for 6 minutes. Just going to do some potatoes. Pull some potatoes up and add some sweet corn. That's it.
And as you can see, we have a problem. A serious problem with portion control.
3 for me.
I think you'll find I've done too much again.
3 for you. How many potatoes we got?
I don't know. I get potato.
You go mad with potatoes. We've got about 8 potatoes.
I get potato stress that I might not have enough. You don't have to put them on the plate if you don't want
You
them.
don't have to eat them if they're on the plate. Is what I was saying. How many wieners do you want?
Oh, bloody hell, there's another one. Crikey. When's everyone else coming round? I just think 3. No.
Well, I've done them all.
Well, Christ.
Oh, God, I can't have 6. That's ridiculous.
God, we're not going to be able to talk about this meal, are we, after we finished it?
This trip hasn't been the most healthiest trip.
No. The sun greets us and Stu manages to fly Tom the drone as it was just in the green zone on his drone app. Back down the way we came, but it's early and it's quiet. Annoyingly, the camera is focusing on droplets on the windscreen, making it all a bit blurred. We're heading to see my mum in Southport, and as always we take the opportunity to pop into IKEA or iCare, depending on how you say it, to take a look around with all the house improvements that we've got going on. So we'll see you in our next video when we kick off our North France and Poland series.
Ready for a different kind of life.